With me now is Michael Hackl from Rohde Schwarz. Thanks for coming. Can you tell us what you've got here at NAB?
Yes, for sure. So at this year's NAB, we're showing our new media server Venice, along with several user interfaces for the main applications of ingest, transcoding, and playout. And so the very new thing about the Venice is that this new platform was rewritten from scratch. So now we are using a modularized source code that we put upon a commodity hardware. So we are using a standard server paired with our Rohde Schwarz Prius BC ingest board. And the very nice thing about this is while we are still supporting baseband workflows, so with a 3G SDI input and output connectors on the board, we can transition to IP workflows with the standards of 2110 just by exchanging the SFP and just by a firmware upgrade of the server. So there's no need for any forklift upgrade. You can just leave the server in the rack, continue with the operation, and then upgrade to IP whenever this is needed. So Venice is now really suited for studio and production workflows with all its user interfaces. Like we have Venice Control, which is software for multi-camera ingest. We have Venice Play, which is our studio playout application, and offering Venice View, which is our multi-viewing application running on the Venice systems and on client computers connected over the network to the Venice. And for applications in channel playout, we are offering major automation support via VDCP over serial or TCP/IP and web services connections like FIMS capture or FIMS transform as well. So really, Venice can be used throughout the whole production chain from ingest over transcoding to playout. And this is really a nice way of using the Venice whenever it is needed throughout the whole workflow.
And does Venice work with other people's equipment?
Oh yes, for sure. We are basically partnering with all major automation systems, which can be seen on our partner wall, like Imagine, like Pebble Beach, like Avico, for example. And we have really a very good integration with these third-party tools. But not only with automation systems, we are working with MEMS, with newsroom control systems as well. And this is all possible through the variety of the interconnections we are delivering. So you can integrate the Venice by VDCP, by web services, by MOS, and many more.
So it helps broadcasters to innovate for the future.
Absolutely, and this is really true to our new software that we've written for the Venice, so this modularized code base. This is really paving the way for future workflows, for new technologies like HDR usage in broadcast, or wider color gamut workflows in broadcast, and even IMF workflows in broadcast that are, I would say, coming over the next years. And this new software architecture paths our way towards a virtualized solution for the Venice.
Well, Michael, thank you very much.
Thank you, Chris.